Howzit T.O.B family, welcome to yet another episode of our weekly videos. Our subject of review for the week is the Astro A10 gaming headset. The headset is made by Astro Gaming, which is part of a multi-brand company that is Logitech, so I guess we can call it the Logitech Astro A10 gaming headset. Now don't quote me on that, that is just me talking. The headset is classified as budget, but if quality is anything to go by, it should be on the high-end side. It comes in grey blue, grey black, grey green, white blue, and white green. It weighs about 346 grams. It's compatible with PS5, PC, Mac, Xbox Series, etc. In the box we have the headset and a 4.4mm to 3.5mm audio cable. Like always, I'm going to be using the microphone of the headset for the voiceover of this video so you can hear what it sounds like. Are you ready? Let's go. The headband itself is made with durable steel and a damage-resistant rubberized material, which makes the headband feel and look rubbery. It is very malleable, stretchy, and super lightweight. I think the headband was designed with passionate gamers in mind, those people that tend to throw around the headset when they lose. I think this headset can take it. There are hard plastics on the sides for adjustments, and the headband really stretches out to fit any head size. Under the headband, just in the middle of it, is memory foam wrapped with a velvet material. It is soft over your head and breathable. I find the design of the ear cups to be really awesome. It is big enough to cover your ears completely. I love the design of the ear cups. They're very simple and functional. The earmuffs are made with the same material and foam that the headband cushion is made out of. Very few budget headsets offer the kind of comfort these earmuffs do. Now on most headsets, if there is a swivel on the ear cup, it's usually the whole ear cup. But on this one, only the earmuffs swivel just a bit to make sure that it's still covering your ears when you move around, or if somehow your head stretches the headband to its limits. The manual says the headband was tuned for gaming, and I cannot agree more. The sound from the speakers are very clear and balanced, appropriate bass and mids and highs. It's very impressive how they can pick up on very little detail in the sound production. It is so cool. The microphone is a flip-to-mute unidirectional microphone, a boom mic on the left ear cup. The mic is very flexible and bendable. You cannot break this mic if you drop the headset. The mic is clear and loud, and if you can hear the sound of my voice, you be the judge for yourself. There is no mute button on this mic, so if you want to mute it, all you have to do is flip up the boom. The inline control isn't much to talk about. It's just got the volume control scroll on it. No mic on and off button because the headset has a flip to mute mic. So let's move on. The audio cable is one of those cables that has a 4.4mm to a 3.5mm jack. The 4.4mm jack connects to the headset and the 3.5mm jack connects to whatever device you're using on it. The cord is long enough and strong. The headset does not come with an audio splitter, so if you need one, that is on your dime. So in summary, this headset was built with gamers in mind. It is lightweight, built with a material that does not easily break. It is very comfortable, no grip tension on your head. The ear cups cover your ears and the earmuffs are breathable. The sound production is great, both speakers and mic, better than most high-end headsets, and the best of all, it is just $899 rands, which is $59 US. I have no choice but to give this headset a T.O.B stamp of approval. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. Remember to like the videos, share them across your social media platforms. For more videos like this, check out our playlists. If you're here for the first time, consider subscribing. We're still doing request videos, so if there's something you'd like to see on this channel, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. I'll be looking out for your comments. Till next time, take care.